सांताक्रूज पंचायतीन ओल्ड गोवा पोलीस स्टेशनाच्या जोड पालवान फिट इंडिया कार्यावळ सांताक्रूज मतदारसंघात घडोवन हाडली। शाळेच्या भुरग्यां खातीर व्यायाम, योगासन तशेंच हेर फिटनेस कार्यावळी घडोवन हाडल्यो। पळयात, फिटनेस आनी गुळी वखदां आड जनजागृताय करप ह्या कार्यावळीचो हेत आशिल्लो। सांताक्रूज वाठारांत जाल्ल्या ह्या फिट इंडिया कार्यावळीक शाळेच्या भुरग्यांचो बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो। फिटनेस आमच्या शारिरीक आनी मानसीक विकासा खातीर कितलें म्हत्व हाचेर भर दिलो। भुरग्यां बरोबर सांताक्रूजचे लोक, सरपंच, पंच आनी आदल्या आमदारांनी हातूंत वांटो घेतलो। पोरणे गोंयचो पीआय सतीश पडवळकारान कार्यावळीचे नेतृत्व केले।
Yeah, Goa Police, along with the village panchayat of Santa Cruz, we are having this Fit India movement. PI Satish Padwadkar is conducting this program from Old Goa, and it is the program is the fitness and drug abuse awareness to bring to the people. And in today's life, we require this awareness because if our body, mind, body and soul is fit, then we can go ahead with all the other activities.
Old Goa Police Station is holding this program to promote the Fit India movement initiated by Honorable Prime Minister of India. It is also supported by the Honorable Chief Minister of India and the Goa government. We are trying to initiate a minimum fitness habit in every sector of society. So we have come up with a small fitness capsule wherein we are doing 3 minutes of breathing exercises, which includes Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika and Kapalbhati. And then we are doing a 1 minute of plank and 1 minute danda, which will give full body exercise in a normal human. So this we are promoting, and then we are doing like whatever time available with us. With that time, we can go for 15 to 20 minutes of run and walk, which will always keep us healthy. So this is like we are trying to cultivate this habit in among the people. So like in a routine life, we have started this from the Old Goa Church, and we are doing it all over our area in all the island of Old Goa, like Divar, Sandistev, Kumbarzoa, and all other parts like Mershi, St.cruz, Chimbal. And we'll be doing it a bigger program on 26th of this month, and we are expecting more people from all over Goa. This program is not restricted to for the participation only from the Old Goa area, but all over Goa, whoever is interested in fitness, and all the fitness groups we are making appeal to all the fitness group and everyone to join this program for every day from now. And on 26th we are celebrating it in a bigger way.
लोक म्हणटालो फकत सांताक्रूज क्रायम म्हणून it should go hand in hand. So I congratulate the PI who is taking such a good initiative to build the health also of people. So we stand by him. Okay, so it is a good step that such a kind of program is brought into Santa Cruz. It is never done before.
रूल्स बॉक्साचे रूल्स हे दुसरेच आसता, वेगळेच आसता। ह्या रुल्सांचेर कितें आहा, तुका कायद्यान एक कोणाच्यानूच हायवे भितर पेडेस्ट्रियन सोरपाक जायना। आनी जेन्ना एक एक्सिडंट जायत जाल्यार अशें म्हणटा हायवे एक्सिडंट इज अ डेथ म्हणून, तेन्ना हांव PI कडेन मागता हे अवेरनेस हे ट्रॅफिकाचे हेच न्हू, हे वाडयत व्हरचें। पंचायती कडेन सरपंचा कडेन मागता आमच्या लोकांक ट्रेन करचे, आमचे भुरगे सजमना।
All these illegal activities, all this abuse of drugs, abuse of different nature, antisocial activities is to cram and suppress this antisocial activities and all this abuse which is creating a nuisance to the public and nuisance to the village. I hope this program will make awareness with the cooperation of the panchayat and with the cooperation of the police, that everything will be smooth, and in future everything will be good for the villages and village of Santa Cruz.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स, समीप नार्वेकार आनी शिवानी सांगेलकार।